Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic on why the austenitic stainless steel is non-magnetic and what are the factors which influencing the austenitic stainless steel and keeps non-magnetic. So let's we get started. So first, why the austenitic stainless steel is non-magnetic? We can see austenitic stainless steel grades are SS304, SS316. It's generally non-magnetic because of its crystal structure. So, austenitic stainless steel have a crystal structure is a face center cubic structure. In face center cubic structure, atom is placed at each corner and one atom at each face of the structure. So it's a face center cubic structure. So because of this, austenitic stainless steel is non-magnetic. There is some factor which influencing the properties and keeps the austenitic stainless steel as non-magnetic. The first one, structure. So austenitic stainless steel has a face center cubic structure. So this structure is not aligned, which will not allow to align the magnetic domains in the same way as material with a body center cubic or hexagonal closed back structure. So when it is magnetized, it should be aligned. Then only the magnet will stick on the material. If the material is if the material magnetic domain is not aligned properly, it won't be stick while keeping the magnet. So because of face center cubic structure, it will be random aligned. It won't be aligned properly. So this lacks domain alignment that steel does not exhibit magnetic properties. Because of the structure, it keeps the material non-magnetic. And the second factor is composition. So composition, everyone knows, is a major role, uh, and it will bring the more properties to the material. Here in austenitic stainless steel, the primarily made up of iron, chromium, nickel, and sometime small addition of molybdenum. You can see in SS316, SS304. The presence of nickel in this austenitic stainless steel stabilize the FCC structure. It won't allow to formation of other structure like other martensite. So because of this stabilization, which keeps the austenitic stainless steel non-magnetic nature. And in sometime while austenitic stainless steel is undergoes any significant cold working, it can acquire some magnetic properties. So cold working is nothing but bending, stretching. It will come under cold working. So when we are doing any type of bending or stretching in this austenitic stainless steel, it can be magnetic because it causes the formation of microstructure from austenite to martensite. However, this is generally localized and not a feature of the bulk material. So you can see at the corner of austenitic stainless steel, it can be magnetic because of this process, cold working process. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions and subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next topic. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.